Good morning, children. Welcome back to the lessons. Lesson number 15, Natural Disasters. Okay, children, in yesterday's class, we studied about the cyclones, and today we will study about precautions. Precautions. So, you can see here, does and don'ts. Can you see? See, children, the precautions. Be alert and attentive to the warnings and weather forecast through radio, newspaper, and television. See, children, anything that happens in the country or in the state or in a society, everything will come beforehand, or the people will bring to the notice of the people so that people might take care. People might move to the safer places. So here also we need to be alert. We need to be alert and keep a good habit of watching the news. Of course, we all of us would like to watch TV, but we watch different programs, different channels, and different other live and all. But very few of us have interest to watch the news. So therefore, if I want to know, or if you want to know what is happening today's life, today's world, today in our society, in our neighborhood, what is happening? So if you want to know, so better we should have the interest to watch the television and the newspaper. Okay, radio is not much in use today's time, but we have newspaper and the television. So even you get enough of messages in your Facebook, WhatsApp, because all of us have got internet, the network. So nothing is lacking for us. So we are not so uneducated people, but we know the each and the minute things of about the internet. So therefore, so it is saying here, be alert and attentive to the warnings and weather forecast through radio, newspaper and television. Of course, children, it is true, the forecast, weather forecast. So what is going to happen within a week, within a month? So everything will be foretold to us. So therefore, keep on watching the news. We will come to know the things, what is happening, events, the current events we will come to know. So here you can see before cyclone. The first point is that before cyclone, ignore rumors, stay calm, don't panic, keep your mobile phones charged to ensure connectivity, use SMS. See, before cyclone, of course, sometimes I'm not saying all the time the news will be a proper or exactly. So sometimes what happens, even the news readers, the small things, they'll make it a big issue of it. Something is taking place, but something else will be said to us. So total what happens sometimes the people will put us in confusion. The people will put us in confusion. We do not know what to do, where to go, how to handle it. So you might be knowing during the COVID-19 also, how people were terrified. People were Chunute gaal naka putta. So people were terrified. So people were afraid to come out of the houses. So it was terrified, so fearful, so scary it was. People were not ready to step out of their houses. So of course it was a very dangerous virus. But then the news spread in such a way, people were completely very afraid of this virus to go out. So sometimes it happens. So stay calm. Okay, we hear lot of rumors. We hear so many things. So you need to be very calm. Don't be panic and keep our mobile phone charged to ensure connectivity. So here, listen to radio, watch TV, read newspapers for weather updates. Of course, this we have to do because we'll come to know the current news, the current events will come to know if at all you keep on updating yourself. Keep your documents and valuables in waterproof containers. So this is children just for our safety. Okay, it is not you have to be for our safety. Prepare an emergency kit with essential items for safety and survival. So this keep your documents and valuable in waterproof containers. Of course, once the cyclone takes place, anytime the water can enter into our houses. So of course, the documents, the most valuable things get spoiled. So therefore, better to keep them in waterproof so they will not be destroyed. So next, prepare an emergency kit with essential items for safety and survival. So we know what are the emergency like medicines, food kits, and the clothes, the needed clothes, and the other medicines and all. Secure your house. Carry out repairs. Don't leave sharp objects loose. Keep cattle animals in unities to ensure their safety. So these are all the things you have to do. Then fishermen should keep a radio set with extra batteries handy. Keep boats, rafts tied up in safe place. Don't venture out in the sea. So of course when the forecast we hear some warnings, we need to keep all this maintenance. So what we should not do during and after cyclone, if indoors, switch off electrical mains and gas connection, keep doors and windows shut. If your house is unsafe, leave early before the onset of a cyclone. Listen to radio, rely only on official warnings, drink boiled chlorinated water. If outdoors, do not enter damaged buildings. Watch out for broken electric poles and wires and other sharp objects. Seek a safe shelter as soon as possible. So these are the things, children, we are supposed to have keep it in mind. So next, be ready to move to a safer place. Be ready to move to a safer places. So of course, this one. Once, of course, once we get warning from the officers, so we supposed to follow it. So food should be stored well in advance. Food should be stored well in advance. So children, now whatever you see in this chart, these are exactly true. So true, let us not get panic when the certain dangerous things takes place on the surface of the earth. And secondly, let us uh, pay heed to the newspapers or even the television and the weather forecast. So we will come to know beforehand. So if at all your places are prone to cyclone or flood, the very dangerous areas you are living in, so better you have to look for a safer places so that you and your cattle and whatever the belongings you have, so you will be safe. So always we should not only think of the human being, even the cattle which are living with us, we need to take care of those things. Okay, children. So let us study the remaining points in the next class. So Precautions: be alert and attentive to the warnings and weather forecast through radio, newspaper, and television. Be ready to move to a safer place. Food should be stored well in advance. Okay, so let us study the remaining lessons in coming class. Okay, children, till then, take care.